Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to give your words a 3D pop? Let's fold some text in Canva together. Click Create, then choose Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels for the dimensions. This sets up the canvas for the project in this demonstration. Click Add a heading to insert text, then type any desired content in the heading field to customize your document or presentation element. Change the background color to black, then adjust the text color to white for clear contrast and improved readability in your design or document. Next, select the text and choose a new font from the dropdown. You can apply any font style you prefer to customize your text appearance. Select the element, then click the shadow option to add shadow to your design. Next, click to add the shadow effect to your selection. Adjust the settings as needed to achieve the desired look. This enhances depth and makes elements stand out clearly in your design or video project. Once your design is complete, click the Share button in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose the file type you need, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF. Next, adjust the size by selecting the desired dimensions or scale. You can also set the quality level. Higher quality results in a larger file size. If your design includes multiple pages, specify whether to download all pages or just a selected page. After confirming your settings, click the Download button. The file will save to your device, ready for use or distribution. This process ensures you export your design with the best settings for your needs. Use these options to control file size, format, and resolution. Add a new page, then change the form's background color to white for a clean, professional appearance in your design layout. Drag and drop the new image, then use the background removal tool to eliminate the background cleanly. Next, click the Edit button to access the editing tools and options. Apply a drop shadow to your object. Next, click the background and select any color you prefer to customize the appearance and enhance your design's visual impact. Our final result is shown in red. Click the Share button, then select Download. Before downloading, adjust the size settings to ensure the best quality. This will help maintain the resolution during the download process. Select only this page, then click Done twice to finish. Now you know how to create a folded paper text effect in Canva-like, and subscribe for more fun design tips.